welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Lowe's. We're going to be looking at best 2 deals. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTubers support from my subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Alright, yeah, they got the ATVs, the UTVs, or however you want to call it. This is the store. We got $199 for this pressure washer. It's a 2100 PSI electric from Craftsman. And I got this 3100 PSI, 2.3 gallons per minute, 163 cc, $359. This one's gas. And then they got the couplers, or the quick release or quick connects for your hose, water hose, and your pressure washers here. I gotta get myself a kit like this because the kit that I had last time, it was completely trash. It was from Harbor Freight. Got $99 for a blower. The 340 CFN 20 volt, so this is 20 volt battery operated blower. They got $99 for the 13-inch cordless string trimmer. And these are on sale, guys. If you guys buy one of these kits, you guys get a free tool. I'll show you guys later on this video what's up with that. We got these on clearance, $169. This is the 16-inch gas chainsaw. Regular price $179. And they got this one for $111, down from $149. This is a really good deal. This was a 14-inch. So definitely check it out. And I believe they did not have that one in stock. They have this one, $188. This is a 18-inch 2-cycle. You got $777 for the Cobalt pre-cut. It's a 5 pieces, 16 feet. That's pretty much it. And they got the fridges. Yeah, some of these not too bad. These are pretty good deals. $849, they're from 16. So a lot of these are actually pretty good. Like this one. This one's pretty good too. $7.99, they're from $9.99. I'm sure some of these are gonna start going down in price. It says gas dryers. And then this is the clearance section. They got a big section here in the back. They got all kinds of stuff. So they got this brushless 4-tool combo kit. It's a pretty nice little kit from Craftsman. This is the kit that's on clearance. So $209, down from $299, 4-tool combo kit from Craftsman. All brushless tools. Killer deal on that one. Well, not killer deal, but you know, it's pretty good deal. You got a wet and dry filter, $937, down from $1898. You got a 2-pack of 12-inch miter saw blades, $39.98. You got construction flashing tub, $987, down from $10.58. So if you save a few dollars if you buy in bulk, obviously you're gonna save some more on these. Adhesive, durable, tough bond. Alright, they got the carry-on clearance down from $139 down to $131. That's the model number in case you guys want to look it up. And they got the universal 2-bike rack from carry-on. It's down to $35 from $89. So that's a pretty good deal on this one. So really good deal on that if you're interested in that. $69 for this drill, 1/2 inch drill. I believe it's 2 only. And yeah, they got a few more stuff there, a few more boxes we have to go over. Got the carport here. Carport enclosure kits, $114, down from $229. It's a pretty good deal on this one. Got $83 on this reciprocating saw, down from $119. Craftsman reciprocating saw, 2 only. Alright, they got this kit here. It's $83. A torque wrench. It's a 1/2 inch torque wrench. Brushless. And I was trying to figure out the price for this one, but I couldn't figure out. It's just looks like a drill kit with the battery charger in a bag. So that is the item number there, or the SKU. Alright, you got the Armor All kit, gift pack $15.97, down from $19. Then they had this this polisher, $64.98. All right, let's get this Craftsman deals out of the way. These are pretty good deals, guys. Definitely check it out. This is a buy one get one free. So you buy any of those and get yourself a free tool. Some of those tools are really nice. So all right, so you got the blower. It does come with the battery and the charger. This is you can either buy that blower or you can buy the 2 battery pack shaker starter kit for $99, or you can buy the drill there. That's the way it looks. That's what you're supposed to be looking at when you're going into the store. So they do have that 2 battery kits. They got the drill kit. They got the blower kit. They got the weed whacker kit. So you can get any of those kits and pick yourself a free tool. Definitely check it out. The blower and the string trimmer are really good tools. If you have a smaller yard, smaller to medium yard, you know, you should be fine with that. Same thing with these. These are starter drills. These are not pro level drills. And like I said, this 13-inch trimmer, it does turn into an edge or two. So $17.98 for the 8-piece bimetal screwdriver set. It does include some stubbies. On the other side of the free tools, this is actually a much better deal. You can get the ratchet, you can get the buffer, you can get the inflator, you can get the angle grinder, you get the vacuum, you can get the jigsaw. Obviously, the more expensive, the better these are. $24.99 for the fan. Obviously, the fan is not really the best tool to get. Yeah, this oscillating tool is really good. It does have some DNA from DeWalt. You guys do notice the similarity. It does have that lever. The tool is blade change. You got the fan and the circular saw there at the bottom. You got the jigsaw. You got the buffer there in the top. So definitely check it out. You got a 7 1/4, 140-piece screwdriver bit set. Got a 14-piece black oxide bit set. $34.98 for the 7-piece hole saw set. Not really deals on these, guys. The black oxide set, the drilling bit set, that should be that's nice, but not killer deals, you know. So that's the way it looks like on this side. So yeah, there's like 3 different sides to this thing. So I'm just, you know, giving you guys the better view, the better frame there. All right, so you got this one from $32.98 down to $22. These are a socket set with some extensions. You got $19.98 for the reciprocating saw blades. Guys, I do not recommend these. These are homeowner grade, or, you know, cut once and throw away basically. All right, some more tools you guys could get for free. You got the reciprocating saw. You got obviously the buffer we already went over. Circular saw, and then you get this one. This one's it's like a rotary tool. It's for smaller, you know, hobbyist or whatever you want to do, smaller. And then they got this one. This one's my favorite. As a matter of fact, I gotta pick myself one of these up. This is the multi-purpose inflator. So you can put cord, extension cord. You can put a battery. You can put a 12-volt car adapter. It is auto stop, so once it reaches the desired PSI that you want it will stop. You got the 12-inch magnetic torpedo level, $12 or 12 something. Not really my favorite color to read off. It's hard to see. Just my opinion, by the way. 50-piece Cobalt drill drive set. Got some nice bits there, some adapters, some magnetic sleeves. And it looks like a guide there. $19.98, down from $25.98. And they got this one, 299-piece mechanics tool set, $99. That's a pretty nice set, guys. 3 ratchets, bunch of sockets, and they did not have it at this store, so obviously I couldn't show you guys just a picture. That's a nice set here. I wish it was a little lower though, around $15. So I just wish it was a little bit lower than that. So around $5 a piece. And that's the way it looks when they had this center section here, the center Cobalt section. Alright, they got the buy one get one free from Cobalt too. So $149 will get you that starter kit with the 2 4s. Get you a free tool. You can get the one-handed reciprocating saw. You could get the radio. I believe that's the new radio or Bluetooth speaker. Get the fan, the job site blower, the angle grinder, oscillating tool, the polisher or random orbit polisher or the polisher. My bad. You got the sander. So that is the kit there that you have to buy with the 2 batteries. And some of the free tools you guys can get. The oscillating tool. The sander. Valued at $89. You got the one-handed reciprocating saw. Obviously this one's really nice to get. And the fan too. The fan's probably worth it. Especially with all the heat, the summer coming up. Alright, you got some Craftsman Days deals here. $199 6-2 combo kit. Those are brush tools. They're not brush. They're all brush tools, by the way. $99 for a 2-tool combo kit. Now that one that says RP, that is brushless, by the way. That is top of the line of Craftsman. But that one doesn't have a speed selector, which is weird. It's probably just a brushless. They must have like an upper, upper tier. That must be like a mid tier. That is the combo for $199, the 6-2 combo kit. Alright, onto the DeWalts. So they do have some BOGO deals on the DeWalts too. Mostly extreme. Or at least in this section. Alright, so they got the $199 2-2 combo kit. It's a brushless extreme. You can get for free, you can get the one-handed reciprocating saw. You can get the circ saw. You can get the oscillating tool, which is, all these tools are really nice, by the way. Hammer drill or the extreme 1/2 inch impact wrench. Definitely worth it, guys. These are pro level tools. You can get a lot of power in a small package. That's the 1/2 inch impact wrench. Circular saw, and that is the kit there at the bottom that you have to buy so you can guys get a free tool. Oscillating tool, and it does have that toolless blade change. You guys see that lever. Got $29.98 for the DeWalt 23-piece titanium drill bit set. That's it right there. Alright, so they got a vacuum here. It seems like a 9-gallon vacuum for $129. They got an 8 1/4 table saw, $329. You got a 14-piece drill drive set for $9.98, new lower price. This is actually a really good deal. Down from $15.98. Black and gold. I was actually going to take that, but I have too many drill bits. Alright, so they got the buy one get one free. So you buy any of those tools and you get yourself a free battery. You can get the impact wrench, the fan, the impact driver, the circular saw, the looks like a planer. You can get the light, the looks like the reciprocating saw, or not the reciprocating saw, the rotary hammer, oscillating tool. So that is that's the oscillating tool there, and you got the planer. That's the fan and the circular saw. Alright, so they got these for $14, 30 piece. Got some nut drivers there, magnetic sleeve, 2-inch bits, Tic Tac case there, and then they got the 887, the legendary 887, $59. Shear attachments, 18 gauge from DeWalt. It's very interesting how this works. Some sort of mechanical. It is compatible with your impact drivers. So $15.97. It's a Bosch 3-piece short auger bit set, down from $39. I should have just picked this up. I just regret it now. Yeah, do a lot of tool testing for you guys. So yeah. Oh, and this vacuum, guys, I was surprised that this vacuum didn't have one of those green turtles or anything. They must be just barely be putting this. So this right now is a good time to do a quick review on this for you guys, so you guys would be more familiar. This is actually not too bad, guys. I really like the design. It's very slim. It takes less space in the work truck. Instead of, being the whole box, it does have the bag in there, and then they got the filter. So this is more like a square filter that they have. And it actually feels pretty solid. I like it. So I would have to test the power of that thing. All right, so you got the stacked lithium. This is a 7¼ rear handle circular saw. This is a 24 volt. This is really a newer tool. It says $399. It is 0 to 500 RPM, 0 to 2000 RPM. It is all metal, by the way, metal casing. That's the battery compartment there with some rubber stops there at the bottom. You got a rafter hook. Nice rubber handle. You got a lanyard attachment and a tool insert, so you won't be losing that tool. You can carry that, so you guys could change that blade. And it does have a vacuum attachment there. You can point it to whichever way you want it to shoot out. And nice metal castings. Everything's really good on this thing. It's labeled and everything. Alright, so they got the stacked lithium there. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.